Welcome to my Unit 2 exam review. So here we have a Pisces-wise function. F of x is equal to x, and then f of x is equal to negative x plus 4. It's equal to x when x is less than or equal to negative 1, and then it's negative x plus 4 when the x value is greater than negative 1. So you get a slope of negative 1 and 5, and this gives you points negative 1 and negative 1, and then 5 and negative 1. So evaluating these functions or values, you get f of 4 is equal to 0, then f of 0 is equal to 4, then f of 3 is equal to 1. And then you'll get lines like this, and then this is an open circle because it is not equal to negative 1 unlike this line down here. All right, so move it up. So the next one, number 6. Here we have f of x is equal to 2x squared minus x. Find the difference quotient. So here, this is one of those the difference quotient where you add the h's and the x's into your equation. And then once you do all these steps, when you plug in the h's and you start distributing and then dividing out your like terms, you'll get 4x plus 2h minus 1. So to the next one, number 7. This is write an equation of 2 with the points of 2 and negative 3 in point-intercept form. So we take the points and we plug it in, and then see it's excuse me. And then once you plug in your points, you'll get 8 over 6, and then that is also equal to 4 over 3, and that is your slope for your new line. Okay, and then once you have your slope, you can plug in your values to find your new y value. And then once you find your y value, which is 2, or your b value, excuse me, you can set up your new equation, which is y is equal to 4 over 3x plus 2. All right, next one, 9 is 9, the rate of change, excuse me. So it's f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x. X is equal to 3 and 5. So plug in 5 and 3, and then you'll multiply it by these values, and you get 35 and negative 15 over 5 minus 3. And then once you subtract those, you get 20 over 2, and then 2 divided by 20 is 10. That's the answer for that one. And then number 13. So find the inverse of f of x equal to negative 7 over x minus 3. And then the inverse is y is equal to 7 over x plus 3. Alrighty. And that is my video.